As of December 2025, you can directly stream YouTube Music in your Tesla. This video will guide you through the setup and usage, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music, playlists, and even music videos directly in your car. YouTube Music integration is available in over 40 countries, so let's get started. First, ensure your Tesla's software is up to date. Navigate to Software, Update on your touchscreen. You'll also need a YouTube Premium subscription, which costs $13.99 as of 2025. This removes ads and enables background playback, enhancing your in-car experience. To link your YouTube Music account in Tesla, start by navigating to the Media section in your vehicle's touchscreen interface. From the list of music services, select YouTube Music to begin the linking process. The system will prompt you to link your Google account, which must be associated with your YouTube Premium subscription using OAuth authentication. This OAuth process securely connects your accounts by redirecting you through Google's authorization system, exchanging codes for access tokens. Finally, grant the required permissions to allow YouTube Music to access your playlists, library, and other content within the Tesla interface. Once your YouTube Music account is linked, the YouTube Music icon appears on your Tesla's media home screen, ready for access. Tapping the icon opens the YouTube Music interface, which closely mirrors the mobile app design. You'll see familiar sections for browsing your music library, playlists, and searching for content. To browse your playlists, navigate to the Playlist section, where you can see your saved collections, such as custom mixes or favorites. The search feature allows you to find specific songs, artists, or albums quickly using the touchscreen keyboard. Use the touchscreen for direct control, tap to play or pause, swipe to skip tracks, and adjust volume with on-screen sliders. Alternatively, use voice commands by saying, "Hey Tesla, play song on YouTube Music" for hands-free operation while driving. You can control YouTube Music playback using the buttons on your Tesla steering wheel. These include play pause, skip tracks, adjust volume, and shuffle your playlist. The Tesla touchscreen provides intuitive controls for YouTube Music. Simply tap the screen to access play pause, skip, volume adjustments, and more playback options. Tesla's voice assistant lets you control YouTube Music hands-free. Say commands like, "Hey Tesla, play my playlist," or "skip this song," while keeping your focus on the road. YouTube Music supports streaming audio up to 320 kilobits per second. For the best sound quality, YouTube Premium subscribers can access lossless audio on compatible Tesla models. Lossless audio quality is available on these Tesla models: Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and Cybertruck. Take advantage of Tesla's voice assistant for hands-free control while driving. Simply say commands like, "Play my liked songs on YouTube Music," to start streaming instantly without touching the screen. As of 2025, Tesla offers AI-driven playlist recommendations tailored to your driving habits. For example, the system might suggest energy-boosting music for long highway trips or calming playlists for stop-and-go city driving, making your journeys more enjoyable. YouTube Music Premium subscribers can download music for offline playback in areas with poor connectivity. Download songs via the Tesla app or directly through the in-car interface. Connect via Wi-Fi, Tesla's built-in data plan, or Bluetooth for streaming. If you encounter buffering issues, ensure a stable internet connection by using Wi-Fi or cellular data. Check signal strength, especially in rural areas where connectivity might be poor. Free tier users will experience ads during playback. Consider upgrading to YouTube Premium for uninterrupted, ad-free streaming. Battery drain from streaming is minimal, under 5% per hour, making it efficient for your Tesla's electric system. Be aware of distraction-free modes that hide visuals while driving, adhering to safety regulations. Use voice commands or steering wheel controls instead. Additional tips: keep your Tesla software updated, test offline downloads for areas with poor connectivity, and enjoy seamless music streaming in your vehicle.